Hello and good morning, class 9th. Hope you all are fine. Today in the morning, I got some comments that, sir, we are not getting the classes of English of class 9th. So here we go. Actually, sorry for the delay. So from now onwards, you will be getting all your continued chapters, okay? Maybe in a part or two. So we'll proceed with the moments. There is another book in class 9th, and according to CBSE, the name of the book itself clears it out that this book is full of moments, full of emotions, tragedies, etc. So let's begin with the first chapter of moments, that is the lost child. The lost child is a beautiful story of a young child, a small brother, who is very much happy. He is living his best moments in his life. Once he got a chance to visit the fair in a nearby village. So he was carried away by his father and mother, the parents. In the long way to the fair, he saw too many people who were wearing turbans, colorful turbans, and were having very happy faces. They were all moving at a point in the fair. When the child was also excited and he was ready to go into the fair, but there is something that the narrator wants to tell us. The child was extremely happy to go to the fair. He wishes that his father and mother, who although were a great caretaker of their child, but he wanted them to purchase some toys or something. As usual, every child has a wish and demands from their parents. While entering the main gate of the fair, the child notices that there are a lot of sweet sellers, and there are a number of fruit sellers, the balloon seller, the flute seller. The child went on one by one to each of them, but his parents, though they were very weak, they had no money to buy everything for the child. Everything, let me tell you, everything. But the child has a wish to see the snake charmer also. Snake charmer, the one who charms or plays the snakes. And he wanted some laddus also. His favorite sweet is burfi. The sweetmeat seller is selling burfi, and the sweetmeat seller invites the child. As we all have our childhood, when we demand something, then the shopkeeper also tries to invite us that please come to our shop. These are the best burfis or whatsoever sweets you will be getting here. So the child has an extreme desire to get all the things, but the parents, especially the father, is quite angry faced. He becomes very angry, and the child's mother always says that okay, we'll have a next shop and we'll see what do we get there, and I'll surely purchase you those things. The child satisfies with the answer. He moves on from one shop to another, expecting that his parents would buy something, maybe the next shop or then after. But there is no response from the parents. The child now sees that he is not getting anything, so he becomes quite depressed, and he stands at a place. You can see the Ferris wheel also, the giant wheel, the big giant wheel which you have in your Disneyland or nearby fairs. So the child is very much the child is fascinated by the Ferris wheel, and he wants a ride, and he points it out that father, see, there is the Ferris wheel and I want to have a ride. It was all very crowd. There was a huge crowd. The child gets no response. Now this is the turning point in the story, and a very tragic moment. The child has been lost. The child is lost now. What happens next? The child sees at the back and is unable to find his parents. The child is now screaming and searching for his parents, but couldn't find. The next day, not the next day, in the next moment, he realizes that he is carried by some stranger. A stranger who sees that the child can meet an accident, can be stampeded in the crowd. Yet the child was yelling, "My father, my mother, I don't want anything, I want only my father and mother." This was the tragic moment. So, the child now sees that he couldn't find his parents. He was carried away by the stranger in the lap. He lifted him up and asked him about those things, the particular things which were expected by the child in the fair. He takes the child to the sweetmeat seller for purchasing those burfis. He asks him whether you will like to have those burfis. He said no. He gives a clear answer that no, I don't want any burfi. I want only my parents, my father and mother. Again, the stranger took him to the balloon seller. That, do you like the colorful balloons, the rainbow colored balloons? He says, no, I don't want either. I want my father and my mother. This was the clear response. Again, he took to the snake charmer. He just closes his ears and didn't want to listen to the sound of the snake charmer. Again, the stranger took him to the Ferris wheel. Do you want to have a ride, child? He asks. But it was a clear response from the child that no, I don't want anything. I don't want either. I want only my father and mother. So now we come to some expectations. Who is the most important person in your life? According to the child also, his parents didn't buy anything for him up till now. His last wish was to ride on the Ferris wheel, but it was also not fulfilled. Yet the child demands that I don't want anything. I want only my parents, my father and mother. So we get a clear-cut note that nobody else than your parents is important in your life. However they are, whatever problems or obligations they have in their life, but they try to fulfill all your requirements and the desires, the expectations of a child. And you also realize that they are important person. So through this story, the narrator wants to convey a message that nobody else than your parents is important in your life. The parents can give you the best moments of life, right from your childhood to your adulthood and the time they are with you. During this lockdown, you are experiencing the best with your parents, I hope. So keep these moments as the memoirs or the memories, and let the life be fulfilled with all the memories of your parents. So that's all for today. We'll come with the new exercise, And yes, class 9th, there are question answers. If you have purchased the books, it's available on the shop. And if you have purchased it then or borrowed it from someone, kindly make the notes as per the subjects. Beehive will be in a different copy and moments will be in a different copy. uh, and reply your comments or whatever you think is required from my side. I'll try to provide it. Thank you.